Chapter 2, verse 47. You have the right to perform your prescribed duties, but you are not entitled to the fruits of your actions. Never consider yourself the cause of the results of your activities, and never be attached to not doing your duty. This verse is a part of Lord Krishna's teachings to Arjuna in the Bhagavad Gita, emphasizing the importance of performing one's duties without attachment to the outcomes. It encourages selfless action and detachment from the results of those actions. Chapter 2, verse 48. Perform your duty equipoise, O Arjuna, abandoning all attachment to success or failure. Such equanimity is called yoga. This verse underscores the concept of yoga as a state of equanimity, where one performs their duties with a balanced mind, unaffected by the desire for success or fear of failure. Chapter 2, verse 50. A person who is not disturbed by the incessant flow of desires that enter like rivers into the ocean, which is ever being filled but is always still, can alone achieve peace, and not the person who strives to satisfy such desires. This verse speaks to the importance of controlling desires to attain inner peace. It suggests that trying to fulfill endless desires will not lead to true contentment. Chapter 2, verse 70. A person who is not disturbed by the incessant flow of desires that enter like rivers into the ocean, which is ever being filled but is always still, can alone achieve peace, and not the person who strives to satisfy such desires. In this verse, Lord Krishna emphasizes that one who can withstand the urges of their senses and mind is the person who can attain true wisdom and self-realization. These verses are just a small sample of